Welcome to our countdown of the 10 most watched K-dramas on Netflix, measured by millions of hours viewed. These top Korean dramas have captivated audiences around the globe with their compelling stories, memorable characters, and stunning visuals. Let's dive in and see which K-dramas made the list. 10. Bloodhounds. Bloodhounds is 8-episode series follows boxers Gun Woo and Woo Jin as they team up with moneylender Choi to take down a brutal loan shark, Myung Gil. Their mission pulls them into the dangerous world of private loans, where they get caught in a web of lies. Originally called Hunting Dogs, this noir action K-drama is based on a webtoon by Jeng Chan and has been viewed for 146.7 million hours. The first season was released on Netflix on June 9, 2023. A second season has been confirmed. 9. The Good Bad Mother. In The Good Bad Mother, single mother Jin Young-soon works hard to provide a good life for her son, Choi Kang-ho. Kang-ho eventually becomes a well-known prosecutor and distances himself from his mother. After a serious accident, Kang-ho has to return to his mother's care. The story explores whether this reunion can mend their broken relationship. This K-drama have been viewed for 148.6 million hours on Netflix. 8. Mr. Queen. Mr. Queen, release in 2020. A Korean drama about a modern-day chef named Jung Bong-hwan who works at the president's Blue House. One day, something strange happens, and his spirit is transported back in time to the Joseon period, where he ends up in the body of Queen Kim So-young. To return to his own time, Jung has to navigate the complex politics of the royal family. The show is based on the 2015 Chinese web series, Go Princess Go, and has 20 episodes with 151.5 million hours viewed. 7. Alchemy of Souls. Alchemy of Souls is about Jung Uk, the young master of the Jung family, who has a dark secret about his birth. He looks for a powerful assassin in the city of Daeho to help him with a mysterious task. He discovers Nakshu, a sorceress assassin, but her soul is trapped in the weak body of Mu Deok, Jung's servant. This complicates things for Jung. The show, starring Lee Jae-wook, has 20 episodes and was very popular, with a 9.2% nationwide finale viewership rating according to Nielsen Korea, and 155.3 million hours viewed on Netflix. 6. Dr. Cha. Dive into Dr. Cha, a Korean drama brimming with second chances and hidden truths. After 2 decades as a dedicated housewife, Cha Young-sok embarks on a life-changing journey by returning to medical school. While juggling the demands of studying with her family life, Young-sok stumbles upon a shocking secret about her successful doctor husband. Will she be able to mend her fractured dreams, navigate the complexities of her relationship, and ultimately find fulfillment? Dr. Cha is a heartwarming exploration of growth, self-discovery, and the enduring power of second chances. A drama have been 194.7 million hours viewed on Netflix. 5. Crash Course in Romance. Crash Course in Romance, release in 2023, follows retired athlete Nam Heng-sun, who enters the private education sector to help her daughter. She meets Choi Chi-yeol, a famous and wealthy private instructor known as the 1 billion won man, and is quickly drawn to him. As they spend more time together, they bond over their love for teaching and eventually fall in love. The show, directed by Yoo Jae-won, has 16 episodes and was viewed for 234. 4. Queen of Tears. Queen of Tears is about a married couple, Hong Hee-in, the heiress of Queen's Group, and Baek Hyun-woo, the group's legal director, who are about to divorce. However, a work crisis forces them to work together and confront their problems. This situation may bring them closer. The show has 16 episodes and 617.8 million hours viewed on Netflix. Additionally, Kim So-hyun sings the K-drama Ost, Way Home, from Queen of Tears. 3. The Glory. The Glory follows Moon Dong-yoon, who, years after being physically and mentally abused in high school, devises a deadly plan to get revenge on her bullies. Her main target is the group's leader, Park Yoon-jin, and she is helped by her friend and ally, Joo Yo-jang. This revenge K-drama has 16 episodes, 622.8 million hours viewed on Netflix. The Glory drama won the Best Drama Award at the 59th Baksang Arts Awards in 2023, beating shows like Extraordinary Attorney Woo and Ah Blues. 2. All of Us Are Dead. All of Us Are Dead, Season 1 is about students at Hyosun High School whose lives are turned upside down when a classmate returns from the science lab with a strange infection. They soon find themselves trapped in a deadly zombie outbreak. Based on the 2009 webtoon, Now at Our School, by Joo Dong-gen, this horror K-drama has 12 episodes and was watched for over 474.26 million hours in its first 30 days, with a total of 679.3 million hours viewed. 1. Squid Game Season 1. The first season of Squid Game was viewed for 2,205.2 million hours across its 10 episodes. The story revolves around people deep in debt who are recruited to participate in a series of children's games with deadly twists in a mysterious location in Korea. A total of 456 players risk their lives in these games, with the last person standing winning a grand prize of around 38 million United States dollars. Squid Game Season 2 is scheduled to premiere on Netflix in the second half of 2024. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe and get notified.